Let's have a ball rocking back and forth on a pendulum. Let's say the ball goes up to 10 meters and falls back down to 0 meters in the middle and rises back up to 10 meters when it goes back up on the other side. The ball weighs 100 kilograms. Now, when it's up on one side, let's place a ball in the middle, which weighs 100 kilograms also. When the ball's falling back down, they both collide and get stuck together. When they're both stuck together, how far up will both of them go together? 10 meters, 5 meters, 2.5 meters, or the root of 10 meters? The answer is 2.5 meters. 2.5 is the answer because the moving mass has doubled. However, the kinetic energy level has dropped in half. When they get stuck together, the mass doubles. For the momentum to stay the same, the velocity is cut in half. The kinetic energy is based upon 1/2 mass times the velocity squared. The mass doubles. However, the velocity is now 1/2 as fast as the single object moving. The kinetic energy of both the objects stuck together is 1/2 of the kinetic energy of the single object moving. This means when they get stuck together, half of the kinetic energy is lost. This kinetic energy is primarily lost as heat. A small amount of this energy can produce sine waves. However, even loud sine waves are not very high in energy. The potential energy of an elevated object is based upon g times mass times the height. If the energy is in half and the mass has doubled, the height is 1/4 as high.